Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Twilio SMS for account verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Twilio SMS for account verification, first, you will need to create a Twilio account. Go to the Twilio website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary information to create your account. Once registered, log into your Twilio console. In the console dashboard, locate the account SID and auth token. These credentials are essential for accessing the Twilio API. Next, navigate to the phone numbers menu on the left. Purchase a phone number from Twilio to send SMS messages. After acquiring a phone number, make a note of it. Now, head to the Programmable Messaging section in the dashboard. Here, you will find the API documentation. You will need to use this documentation to send SMS messages programmatically. In your selected programming language, install the Twilio Helper library. This library simplifies the process of sending messages via the Twilio API. Create a new script file and include the Twilio library. Set up your account credentials in your script. Use the from parameter to specify your Twilio phone number. For the to parameter, enter the user's phone number you wish to verify. Write the message content that will be sent for verification. Use the Twilio library function to send the SMS. Handle any exceptions in your code to manage errors effectively. Once the SMS is sent, you can log the response for debugging purposes. Now, build a simple verification endpoint in your application. This endpoint will receive code submissions from users. When the user enters the verification code, compare it to the code sent via SMS. If the codes match, mark the account as verified. If they do not match, prompt the user to try again. That's it, you've now set up Twilio SMS for account verification. Congratulations on completing your beginner's guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.